Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create and receive custom notifications and use a visual KPI counter for Google Forms. So, PingBell is a web and mobile application that allows you to create and receive these custom notifications for thousands of websites and apps, and this includes Google Forms. So let's just get right into it. So step one of this process is creating your free account at pingbell.io. Once logged in, you'll see a page just like this, and to start the process of creating your first PingBell, go ahead and hit the button right in the middle of the screen. Here, we can set the title and description of our PingBell. These will be shown whenever you do receive a notification from the app, as well as the text within the celebration page, which we'll go over later. Alright, next up, we will be selecting the custom notification sound you would like your phone to make each time you receive the notification. There are a bunch of sounds to choose from, so be sure to click on them to preview each one. Being able to set a custom sound is really useful, since you'll be able to tell what notification you're receiving without even having to look at your phone or computer. Lastly, you can invite other users to receive notifications from this PingBell by adding either their email address or PingBell username in this box. If the user does not already have a PingBell account, they'll receive an email guiding them to sign up. Sharing your PingBell notifications is a really effective way to keep your entire team in the loop in real time whenever important KPI events happen. So there we have it. Our first ever PingBell is now created. And if you ever want to create a new one, just hit the bell icon at the bottom right of the page to start this process over again. We can also click on the three dots next to our new PingBell and hit edit to go over the fields we just went over. So now we have our PingBell set up, let's go over setting up the trigger for Google Forms. This should only take a few minutes, and for each PingBell, you only have to do this process once. So, to do this, we will be using a website called Zapier. Simply log into your Zapier account, and we're going to start by going over to Create and select Zap. Now, for our first option, we just need to search for Google Forms. Now we need to select the specific event that will trigger the PingBell, like a new Google Forms submission or response. Then we'll hit continue. Then we have to make sure that our email account that our Google Form is connected to Zapier. Now we need to choose the specific form we would like to receive notifications for. Then we'll hit continue, and we can test our trigger. Now we can move on to the action. For this, we're going to search up PingBell. Now for the event, we're just going to select Notify PingBell, going to hit Continue, and it'll have you connect your API key. You'll see a window just like this. Let's go back to our PingBell page, and we're going to go to the top right to our user icon, select it, then go to Settings. Here we can see our API key, and we'll just click on it to copy it. Now let's head back to Zapier and paste our API key within this field. Great. Now let's just hit continue, and we're going to choose the specific PingBell that we just created. We'll hit continue again, and we can test this step. Sweet, now we have our PingBell set up. So now let's go over setting up the PingBell celebration page. This is the page that will display a custom counter for your Google Forms submissions. Within the web app on your PingBell homepage, you will see a celebration icon next to each PingBell. Click this and you'll be taken to the celebration page. To access the customizable settings, hover the mouse to the right side of the screen to reveal the hidden menu. First, to enable and disable the counter, we can go to this option and set it to active or inactive. Next, let's style how the text and message will appear. We can select 3 different types of messages when the PingBell is notified. Option 1 is a static message, which means the title you gave your PingBell will always be displayed. Choosing this option is common among streamers and companies that may want to display multiple counters side by side. The second option is a disappearing message, which will be displayed for a few seconds whenever the PingBell is notified. The last option is a disappearing bubble, which, similar to the disappearing message, has its own wow and celebration effect, but is considered even more visually appealing than the disappearing message by some people. Both disappearing options will be displayed for about 5 seconds each time an action is registered on your PingBell. Alright, next up, let's select our font size and type. We can choose from a variety of font sizes. We actually have access to all of Google's fonts by typing and searching into this field. Finally, we can set the colors to our page. First, let's go ahead and select the background color we want. Then we can choose our font color, our counter color, and our counter text color. You can see for each of these, we have access to a robust color wheel, so you can truly pick any color to fit your brand. Now just hit save, and whenever your PingBell is pinged, a fireworks animation will go off, the counter will go up, and if you have the disappearing message or bubble, they will last on screen for a few seconds. The very last option actually allows you to determine what starting point the counter will be. This allows you to accurately show the absolute number of actions your business has logged in its entire lifetime. So, for example, if your business already has logged 500 Google Form submissions, we can just type that in this field here, and it will be reflected onto the counter. So there we have it, our own visual counter for Google Forms. Another great feature about PingBell is we can actually see our analytics for every single PingBell by clicking the graph icon next to each one. Here we can see how many times that PingBell has been notified. We can choose to see the past 24 hours, the past 7 days, or the past 30 days. This is a great tool for keeping an eye on specific KPIs. Now you can utilize PingBell's custom notifications and counter with Google Forms. PingBell makes it possible to receive notifications for any KPI from thousands of websites and applications. Make sure to sign up for free at pingbell.io to get started. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos.